everyone. My name is Shyanne and today I will be doing a setup and configuration of Squid Proxy. So, what is Squid Proxy? So, Squid is a caching and forwarding HTTP proxy server. It is used to improve web performance by caching frequently accessed content and controlling client access to the internet. So, using this Squid allows filtering websites. So the first thing that we are going to do is install this Squid. So we do install Squid asterisk dash Y. So now when we have that installed, we're going to start and enable the Squid because we need this service running so that the clients can connect to it. So you do systemctl start Squid, and then we're going to enable it. And check the status. So it's active and it's enabled and we have no errors. So the next thing that we are going to do is configure the access control list. So you do in /etc /squid /squid dot connect. So by default, these here wouldn't have any comments by it. So we're just going to add the comments to all 8 ACLs that we see here. So Squid uses the ACL or access control list to define which clients are allowed or denied access. So commenting out these default ACLs prevent the default private network from automatically being allowed. So we can use our own network, which is this here, the ACL, localnet, SAR, the IP address of the CentOS, HTTP HTTP access allow localnet. So the ACL local host allows only clients in the subnet, which is your local network, to use the proxy. And the HTTP access allow localnet allows this subnet to connect. So this HTTP access, so this just prevents unauthorized access from the outside network. So this we're gonna scroll down to insert your own rules here to allow access from your client. So we're going to comment. So we're going to type # bedside block, and we type the ACL bad sites in URL rgdx semicolon /etc /squid /bad sites. So this tells Squid to read the bad sites file and to create a list of URLs to block it. And the HTTP denied bad sites prevents access to these URLs for all clients. So after we do that, we save and click the escape and semicolon WQ. So next we're going to go into our bad sites directory. So you do vim etc /squid /bad sites. So by default, it will be empty. So you can add in your sites that you don't want the Windows client access to. So I put Flipkart, Amazon, TikTok, Snapchat, Google, and Walmart. So this file contains a list of websites that clients cannot access through Squid. So each line is a URL pattern that Squid will match. So after you do that, you would see and exit. And next thing that we are going to do is add the firewall. So in our squid.connect, Squid listens to the 3128 port. So this is what we have to add in. So I'm going to copy it. So you do firewall dash cmd space dash dash permanent dash dash add dash port is equal to 3128 and backslash TCP. So mine's already added. So after you add it, you're going to reload the firewall. So without this, the clients cannot connect to the Squid proxy, even if the Squid is running. So after we do all of this, we have to restart the Squid server. So we do systemctl restart Squid. So we see that it returned no error. So we are going to go to our Windows client. So on our Windows client, we are going to open settings, network and internet, proxy. We'll scroll down to manual. We'll just turn it on. I think it's off by default. And we're going to add in our IP address of our CentOS machine and the port that we just added. We press save and we close it off. And now we are going to check our websites. So we're going to check Flipkart, Flipkart.com, Amazon.com, check TikTok.com. Next, we're going to check Snapchat.com. We're going to check Hulu.com. And lastly, Walmart.com. So these are all the sites that was added to my bad sites. So we're just going to wait for it to finish load. So our sites has not been loaded successfully, which is a good thing. So that is what we exactly what you this is exactly what we want to see. So we have the Flipkart, Snapchat, Walmart, Amazon, TikTok, and Hulu. They all have not been loaded successfully, which is a good thing. So once we see this, we know that it works. And that brings me to the end of my demonstration.